Hey there, e-bike enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of folding electric bikes, the perfect mix of convenience and power for those on the go. Whether you're a city commuter, weekend adventurer, or just want to zoom around town, we've got something here for everyone. Testway X 7 Pro. Starting off strong, this electric bike takes range and power to the next level. Equipped with a massive 52-volt 60-amp-hour Samsung battery, it's engineered to cover up to 200 miles on a single charge. With 1,600 watts peak power and speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, you're getting a ride that's perfect for both city streets and rugged trails. Its 20-inch fat tires and full suspension ensure smooth cruising no matter the surface, while dual hydraulic brakes give you solid stopping power for added safety. It's a fantastic pick for those who want to go the distance and keep things compact for easy transport. Let's dive into the rest and find your perfect foldable e-ride. Lectric XP Lite 2.0. The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 is all about lightweight freedom and easy portability without skimping on performance. Weighing in at just 49 pounds, this compact folding e-bike is designed for smooth urban travel and effortless storage. It has a solid 45-mile range, which makes it a reliable choice for daily commutes and city rides. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour, it meets both Class 1 and 2 e-bike standards, so you can take it just about anywhere. The bike offers 5 pedal assist levels, making it easy to find the perfect balance of exercise and assistance. Ideal for riders who want a fun, versatile, and portable e-bike, the Lectric XP Lite 2.0 is packed with style and utility for a range of riding needs. Let's see what other folding e-bikes this year has in store. Haybike Mars 2.0. The Haybike Mars 2.0 electric bike combines powerful performance with foldable convenience, perfect for riders looking for versatility and power on the go. With a robust 1,400-watt peak motor, it offers impressive acceleration and can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it easy to handle various terrains and inclines. The 600-watt-hour removable battery provides extended range for longer rides without frequent recharging, and its modular design allows for easy removal, so you can recharge it separately, a great perk for apartment dwellers or travelers. UL certification ensures reliable safety standards, adding peace of mind for everyday use. Built with fat tires, the Mars 2.0 excels on both smooth urban roads and rough off-road trails, providing stability and traction on diverse surfaces, including sand and gravel. The full suspension system absorbs shocks, ensuring a comfortable and balanced ride no matter the bumps along the way. Its foldable design offers ultimate portability. Simply fold it down to fit in your trunk, store it in smaller spaces, or take it along on public transportation. This e-bike is a well-rounded choice for commuters, adventurers, and anyone looking for a flexible, eco-friendly way to explore their surroundings. Luckeep. The Luckeep electric bike for adults offers a powerful and adaptable ride with a 1,400-watt peak motor that reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it an ideal choice for commuting or off-road adventures. Equipped with a long-range 48-volt, 33-amp-hour battery, this e-bike can cover up to 63 miles on a single charge, allowing for longer rides and fewer stops to recharge. Designed with user-friendly features, the Luckeep e-bike includes an intuitive app control, letting you monitor speed, battery life, and other metrics for a more connected ride experience. With its 20-inch fat tires, this step-through bike provides enhanced traction and stability on various terrains, from city streets to rougher paths. The full suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing shocks and bumps to make every journey enjoyable. Its foldable design means you can easily store it in small spaces, whether at home or in a vehicle. Ideal for riders who want both convenience and performance, the Luckeep electric bike is an excellent option for those looking to blend city commuting with outdoor exploration. The Walkie. Next, the W-Walkie. Folding electric bike is built for power and endurance, making it perfect for adults who need a robust and versatile ride, whether for commuting, delivery, or adventurous off-roading. Featuring an impressive dual 2,000-watt motor, this e-bike delivers intense acceleration and a top speed of up to 34 miles per hour, backed by its all-wheel drive capabilities for superior control and traction. Its range options are a standout, with a choice of 48-volt 40 amp-hour, 60 amp-hour, or even 82 amp-hour battery capacities, enabling extensive travel distances suited for different needs. The Walkie comes fitted with 20-inch fat tires, which provide stability and grip on a variety of surfaces, from city roads to rugged trails, while the full suspension ensures a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and making rough terrain manageable. For those who need flexibility, this bike folds for easy storage, making it highly practical despite its powerful design. Whether you're navigating through city streets or tackling a more demanding environment, the W-Walkie is equipped to handle the job. And there you have it. Whether you're cruising through the city, taking on rugged trails, or need a compact e-bike that packs a punch, there's something here for every rider. These folding electric bikes of 2024 combine convenience, power, and innovative features to elevate your riding experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which e-bike caught your eye. Ride on and see you in the next one.